चलिए बाद में हम ऐसे करेंगे. Okay, right now answers are visible, no?
Who is
So,
needed to take different decisions as well as to implement those decisions for each country. Government.
hmm,
Which
government,
country has the largest
government, government, judges, leaders, or
judges,
civil
leaders, civic
organization. Okay.
organization?
Yes.
Government.
Yes, government
Take
is
different
needed.
decisions.
Yes, is government is needed to take different decisions as well as to implement those decisions in for each country. क्या requirement होता है? Government का requirement होता है, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Which
Okay.
country has the
Okay. Number.
largest number of voters in the world? In Russia, India, Great Britain, and USA. India.
What is the question? Which
Which
country?
country has the largest number of voters in the world? India has the largest voters in the world.
Yes, which country has the largest number of voters in the world? पूरे वर्ल्ड में लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ वोटर्स किस कंट्री के पास है? रशिया, इंडिया, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन और यूएस किसके पास है?
India, 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 India.
यस, इंडिया.
Over.
वेरी गुड. चलो नंबर फोर्थ वन.
At how many level does the government work for the smooth administration of the country? Three. Three. Government, ma'am, because there is three type of government. One for state, one for city or village, and one for country.
क्वेश्चन तो ऑप्शंस का रीड करो बेटा जो है.
2, 3, 4, 5. Three is answer.
Yes, there are three levels of government which work for the smooth administration for the country, right? Fazil?
Two. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next one जो है.
Who takes charge of a village and a city?
Hmm.
Local
Yes.
government, state government, central government, none of this. Local
And
government take a
none,
charge for village and
no,
city.
none of this नहीं बोलते, none of this बोलते, okay?
Okay.
Hmm. Yes, who takes the charge of the village or a city? कौन charge लेता है?
Local government take a charge for village and city.
Yes, the local government takes the charge of village and city, okay? Not the state government, central भी नहीं और none of this भी नहीं. Okay, very good. चलो number sixth one.
Which governance system has been adopted in our country? Democratic, monarchy, communist, and dictatorship.
Dictatorship.
Dictatorship. Democratic government system has been adopted in our country, India.
Yes, which governance system has been adopted? Monarchy, communist, dictatorship, or democratic? Which is adopted? Which is adopted? Democratic. Which is adopted? Democratic. Very good. Chalo. Number seventh one.
What kind of democratic system is there in the USA?
Hmm. Yes.
Presidential.
Question तो पढ़ो, options पढ़ो जोहेल. Read the options.
Cabinet, monopoly, presidential, and federal
Federal.
security.
Federal secretary.
Federal secretary.
हाँ. So, what is the answer?
Presidential.
Yes, seventh number answer is presidential. In which kind of democratic system is there in the US? US is what? United States of America. Okay. US का full form क्या है? United States.
United
Okay.
States of America.
Understood everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
For how
Okay.
many years is the tenure of government in our country? Usually 5 years, 4 years, 6 years, 7 years. 5 years.
Huh. 5 years. How many years is the tenure of government in our country usually? 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, or 7 years? Usually, how many years it is?
Five
Only
years.
5 years. Very good. Chalo. Next one, number ninth one.
Why is there a need for government in each country
Yes.
to make laws, to amend laws, to implement laws, all of this.
Huh.
All of this.
Cue all of this. Why all
Ma'am,
of this? Zoe?
because government make the laws also, and they also amend laws.
Hmm. अच्छा amend
मैम
laws
जो
मतलब
आपने
क्या होता है?
एग्जांपल दिया था ना कि पहले गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं, बाद में सब कराते हैं और करते।
अच्छा मैंने ऐसा एग्जांपल नहीं दिया था जोहिर आई गिव एन एग्जांपल लाइक लेजिस्लेटिव फ्रेम्स द लॉ एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जीक्यूट्स द लॉ एंड जुडिशरी जो कीप्स अ वॉच कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ लॉ हो रहा है कि नहीं है ना ऐसा एग्जांपल दिया था अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जोहिर टू मेक द लॉज फजिल government is required in each country to make laws to amend laws amend laws matlab anyone knows and what is the meaning of amend laws huh
क्या मेरा वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग।
amend laws मतलब क्या होता है to implement laws तो पता है ना सबको
हाँ मैम वो तो पता है।
हाँ अमेंड लॉज मतलब क्या बेटा कि कोई कोई लॉ में सुधारा की जरूरत पड़ती है मतलब चेंजेस हैज टू बी ब्रॉट इन द फेवर ऑफ पीपल पीपल के भलाई के लिए पीपल के डिमांड के हिसाब से पीपल के फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द कंट्री एंड फॉर ऑल सच मेनी सच रीजंस कोई लॉ में अमेंड करना जरूरी होता है अमेंड मतलब टू मेक चेंजेस अंडरस्टूड तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अमेंडमेंट्स इन द लॉ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी ऐसा एक्ट होता है जिसे अमेंडमेंट कहते हैं उस हिसाब से उसे लॉज को अमेंड किया बोलते हैं अमेंड मतलब चेंज किया मतलब समझो कि एक लॉ बना तो दिया कि भाई चलो दिस इज द लॉ कि सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई से यू अभी फार्मर्स जो अभी उनकी स्ट्राइक चल रही है ना तो वो क्या चाहते हैं कि लॉ में अमेंडमेंट लाए लॉ में चेंजेस लाए है ना तो ગવર્મેન્ટ વિલ થિંક અબાઉટ ઇટ એન્ડ દે વિલ વર્ક એકોર્ડિંગલી કે ભાઈ આ સારું છે જે ડિમાન્ડ છે એ કરી શકાય એવું છે કે નહીં right so that is called to amend laws if it will be in favor of the country's development and the people development तो कई कई बार लॉज में चेंजेस करना पड़ता है बट दैट जोहर एंड आई कांट डू है ना आई एंड जोहर कांट डू दैट लॉज हैज टू बी चेंज ओनली बाय द गवर्नमेंट राइट फजील आर्यन understood
यस मैम।
okay chalo number 10th one continue zohar
ओके मैम। Which of the following is a type of government? Communist, democratic, monarchy, all of this. All of these are the type of government.
huh we have already seen right types of the government there are three types of government communist monarchy and
मैम मैम
democratic and all of
मैम
this
डाउट।
मतलब हाँ बेटा
कम्युनिस्ट मतलब कौन सा गवर्नमेंट?
जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में भी है वो okay we'll revise that time you will be understanding monarchy तो you remember no
यस 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 यस।
okay chalo everyone understood till here
यस।
देखो यहाँ मेक्स अमेंडमेंट द गवर्नमेंट मेक्स अमेंडमेंट द लॉ है ना आंसर रीड करो बेटा क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर नंबर 3
The government makes amendment in the law In a democracy, the government is formed from the representative elected by the people for the administration of the country. The country keeping the constitution in mind enacts the necessary laws for the welfare of the people according to public opinion. If a, if a referendum changes in a democracy, then the laws enacted and implemented by the government have to be changed. In a democracy, the government has the power to change the laws. Thus, the government changes the laws.
Yes, understood. What is amendment?
No, ma'am.
Aryan, understood amendment in the law is what? Zaki is present. Who is present? Ali Khetani was
Yes,
the
ma'am.
new boy. Understood what is amendment in the laws?
Yes, ma'am. I cannot understand completely.
Which part you can understand? Say.
Ma'am, first three line I can understand, but after that I cannot understand.
Okay, I'll
The go-
explain then. In a democracy, the government is formed from the representatives elected by the people for the administration of the country. Okay, मतलब कि कंट्री का ध्यान रखने के लिए जो सिलेक्ट होते हैं रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स वो कौन से होते हैं इलेक्टेड. ओके, नाउ द गवर्नमेंट कीपिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इन द माइंड. गवर्नमेंट फिर लॉ बनाते हैं. तो लॉ किस बुक को ध्यान में रख के बनाते हैं? सोशल साइंस की बुक को या इंग्लिश की फेयर बुक को? किस चीज को रख के माइंड में बनाते हैं?
social
नहीं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को माइंड में रख के बनाते हैं. कौन सी बुक को?
constitution.
हाँ, और फिर एनेक्स द नेसेसरी लॉज फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. और उसमें से जो नेसेसरी लॉ है वो पीपल की भलाई के लिए उसे पब्लिश करते हैं, एनेक्ट करते हैं, इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. राइट नाउ फॉर द अगेन ये किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? फॉर द पीपल एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल. પબ્લિક ઓપિનિયન ભી લેતે હૈ કે ભાઈ અમે આવું કરશું તો કેવું થશે, આવું કરશું તો કેવું થશે. રાઈટ? If a referendum changes in a democracy, then the laws enacted and implemented by the government have to be changed. मतलब कि पब्लिक ओपिनियन अगर इन डेमोक्रेसी रेफरेंडम चेंज होता है ना, जो लॉ इम्प्लीमेंट हुआ है उसको चेंज करना है तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? लॉ को चेंज करते हैं गवर्नमेंट. राइट? In a democracy. Okay, so the government has what beta? The government has the power to change the law. Thus the government changes the law. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Makes amendments. Amendment मतलब changes the law. Understood? Understood all of you? जोहेर समझ में आया?
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ, all of you understood now?
Yes.
Chalo, we'll revise this answer. Why is government required? Zohir, revise this answer. Number one.
Yes, ma'am. Which is the government required?
Which nahi, it is why.
Is the government required? Each
Why?
country needs the government to take different decisions and to implement those decisions. The government is needed for forming, implementing, and reforming laws according to the construction. A government
Construction
is
nahi,
required to apply
construction
laws and
not
rules
beta.
made by each.
Zohir,
on-
Zohir,
Yes.
Zohir, have a pause when I ask you to. When I speak your name, have a pause. Don't run with words. Construction is constitution. Read it again, number two.
The government is needed for forming, implementing, and reforming laws according to the Constitution. A government is required to apply laws and rules made by it. on all people equally in the country. In a democracy, the government is required to run the administration as per the will of the people. It is the government that performs function of public welfare. In this way, the government is required to maintain peace, laws, and orders, uh, and for the administration of the country, as well as for the progress of the country.
समझ में आया सबको? Why is the government required? Yes, Zuhair, I have explained you this part in the explanation of the lesson. Can you
Yes,
elaborate? क्या आप समझा
yes,
सकते हो?
yes, yes,
क्या आप समझा सकते हो इसको? Why is
yes,
government required?
yes.
Yes, say then.
Ma'am, government is required for making the laws that or for the needed of implementing कंट्रोल करने के लिए full country को
English language.
to control the country and the government is required to apply the laws and rules.
Hmm.
They have the power to make the laws and
Yes.
they have also the power to changes the rules, make the
Accord,
changes in the rules.
अपनी मर्जी से या किसी को फॉलो करते हैं?
Nah, they work for people. They put the people between and take the decisions.
वो तो सही है, पर किसको फॉलो करते हैं? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को. ओके.
Constitution.
हम्म.
Yes.
वेरी गुड. देन.
In our country, there is democratic government.
हम्म. ओके, वेरी गुड.
There is for us three type of government for different stages,
वेरी गुड.
and
वेरी गुड.
this way government is required for the places like country, state, or a village or city.
Yes.
Different type of government control in different way.
Very good. Government is required to maintain peace, law and order, and for the administration of the country, right? As
Yes.
well as for the progress of any country. है ना? Understood?
Yes.
Fuzzy, understood? Today I have not taken attendance, so I don't know who is present. Ali Khetani, understood? The new boy. Ali Khetani. What is his name?
Ali Akbar.
Ali Akbar, did you understand? Okay, I guess he is not able to listen. Ali Asgar, आपको समझ में आया? राजानी Ali Asgar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. किसी हाँ, who is it? समझ में आया सबको? Why is government
Yes,
required?
Yes.
चलो, next question. Ali Asgar, revise it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thus, number 2.
How many types of governments are there? Which are they? There are three main types of government: democratic government, communist
Communist.
government, or dictatorship, and monarchy. How
Yes.
many types of
Communist government, democratic government, government. Communist को dictatorship government बोलते हैं, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. चलो. number 2, then we'll do the number 3 revision. Yes, Aliasgar. Yes, guys. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aliasgar, can you listen me? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Revise number 2 once more and then number 3.
How many how many types of governments are there? Which are they? There are three main types of government: democratic government, communist government, and dictatorship and monarchy. How many
Very
types?
good, beta. Number 3. How many types of government are mostly found in the world? तो सेम आंसर है तो हम रिवाइज नहीं करेंगे ओके नंबर फोर्थ वन
What types of systems of governance do we have in our country? Or which type of government is there in our country? There are
यस
parliamentary democratic governance system in our country.
very good Aliasgar. There is a parliamentary democratic governance system in our country. Okay. Now she will speak Zoher.
Your voice is touch break.
जोहेर आप इसके साथ आंसर भी बोलोगे ओके क्वेश्चन के साथ
Ma'am, ma'am, repeat. I cannot understand. Ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
यू विल सीधा बोलोगे क्वेश्चन नहीं ओके क्वेश्चन के साथ बोलोगे
Ma'am, who? Ma'am, your voice
My
is
voice is clear only, beta. You can listen me, boys. Yes,
Yes.
Zoheri. Zoheri, revise MF.
Ma'am, I can start now.
Huh?
Why is the government required? Which
No,
one we
not
need?
that one.
Ma'am, what?
Match the following.
Then which one we have to
Match the following.
option? State government take charge for the entire state. State government take charge for entire state.
Very good. It takes the charge
Local
of
government
entire
take
state.
charge for a city or village. Central government take charge for entire country. Monarchy government only one man rules.
Where the king is the ruler, okay?
Ma'am, now
Beta.
monarchy is there.
No, no. Early people had monarchy before many years. Before many, you can say, okay?
And
Yes.
then why now we have to learn?
In the history, we learn everything about the past and the present social science subject, beta, so that you understand the importance. Mute your mic 1 minute. Whose mic is on? I'll explain you. Okay. Aliasgar, mute your mic. Beta, in history or civics, please mute your mics. हम क्यों मोनार्की के बारे में लर्न करते हैं मोनार्कियल गवर्नमेंट के बारे में जोहेर बिकॉज ये हिस्ट्री सोशल सब्जेक्ट ही ऐसा है जिसमें हम पास्ट से लेके प्रेजेंट सिनारो लर्न करते हैं अंडरस्टूड वी ट्राई टू कंपेयर कि व्हाट वाज
लेकिन ये हिस्ट्री वाला चैप्टर तो नहीं है
भले ना हो देखो जियोग्राफी में भी हम लर्न करते ही है कि फर्स्ट विच कंट्री व्हाट वाज द एरिया एंड नाउ व्हाट इज द एरिया and what were the changes that has come in the atmosphere in the surroundings है ना तो सोशल इज द सब्जेक्ट ओनली जो हम पास्ट से लेके प्रेजेंट में भी स्टडी करते हैं स्पेशली हिस्ट्री सिविक्स में तो खास कि पहला what type of government was there and उसमें क्या क्या changes लाके आज हमें ये stable government मिली है, democratic government. So we learn everything of the past and the present situations. Understood, boys? So and so only you will understand, no? Okay, what is the importance of the present? Understood? That is why we learn the past and we come to the present. जैसे आपको मैंने सोशल में फर्स्ट लेसन क्या करवाया था कि हाउ द ह्यूमन बीइंग स्टार्टेड लिविंग सेटल्ड लाइफ, है ना? सो हाउ ही बिकेम टू, हाउ ही इन्वेंटेड फायर, हाउ ही इन्वेंटेड हिज टू स्टे इन अ हाउस, how we learn to farming, how we learn to domesticate animals, then how he started living at one place. तो आज हम भी एक ही प्लेस पे रहते हैं. We are not migrants. घर घर ढूंढते हम फिरे हमें तभी आपको still gatherer only, but we are not moving from one place to another. Zohair.
Yes, ma'am.
Mother,
So, ma'am, your voice is too breaking.
gatherer, but we are developed. The difference. Understood, Zohair? Zohair,
Yes, ma'am.
do you understand what I mean to say?
Ma'am, your voice is
हाँ, ये बस बोझा नहीं. Understood or not? My volume and network is full, बेटा. आपने बोला ना तो मैंने चेक भी किया.
ma'am क्या?
Everyone, जो मैंने अभी समझाया वो समझा.
ma'am क्या समझाया?
यही कि how we learn from past to the present. Understood, sir? Hello?
Ma'am, your voice is very much cutting.
No, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes, it is clear, no, beta?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So, I wish you all of you best of luck for today's exam. Today you are having maths exam, right? Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
हाँ, आज आपकी मैथ्स की एग्जाम है ना? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, all the best for your maths exam today. Attempt at time, on time the exams, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best,
you.
all of you.
Thank
All
you,
the
ma'am.
best for, yes, all the best for
Your
also,
voice is
and all your exam also, okay? Okay, all of you?
yes. Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Yes. Bye-bye. Sit with a paper and pencil to write the maths exam, okay? So that you can solve your sums and answer.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.